G'day petrolheads. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of mid-size sedans with the 2024 Nissan Altima. This ain't your average boring saloon mates. Nissan's gone and injected some serious grunt and tech into this one, making it a proper contender for your hard-earned cash. And let's be honest, in the land of pyramids and pharaohs, you need a car that can handle the heat. The Altima reckons it's got what it takes. So, buckle up as we take this bad boy for a spin, and see if it's got what it takes to impress us. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, money. The Altima ain't messing about when it comes to value for your hard-earned Egyptian pounds. It undercuts rivals like the Honda Accord straight off the bat, without skimping on the good stuff. That means you get a whole lot of car for your cash, which is always a good thing. Think of it as finding a golden chariot in a secondhand camel market. A steal, mate, a steal. Right, let's talk about what's under the bonnet. This is where the magic happens, where engineering meets performance. The Altima comes with a range of engines, but the standout has got to be the 2.0-liter VC Turbo. This engine is a marvel of modern technology, designed to deliver both power and efficiency. This thing packs a proper punch with up to 248 horsepower. Imagine the thrill of that kind of power at your fingertips, ready to be unleashed on the open road. But it's not all about brute force. The Altima is designed to offer a balanced driving experience, combining power with precision handling. The Altima is also surprisingly fuel efficient, especially on those long stretches of desert highway. With its advanced engine technology, you can go further on a single tank of fuel. You'll be cruising past the petrol stations like a sand viper on a mission. No need to worry about frequent stops, just enjoy the journey. And for those times when the going gets tough, the Altima is available with all-wheel drive. This feature ensures that you have the traction and stability you need, no matter the road conditions. So, whether you're tackling sand dunes or just navigating a Cairo downpour, you'll be sure-footed and in control. The Altima is built to handle a variety of terrains and weather conditions, making it a versatile choice for any driver. Inside, the Altima offers a driver-centric cockpit that puts everything within easy reach. The intuitive design ensures that you can focus on the road while still having access to all the controls you need. The infotainment system is state-of-the-art, featuring a large touchscreen display that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Stay connected and entertained, no matter where your journey takes you. Comfort is also a priority in the Altima. The seats are designed to provide excellent support, even on long drives. High-quality materials and attention to detail make the interior a pleasant place to be. And let's not forget the Altima's sleek design. With its bold lines and aggressive stance, this car is sure to turn heads wherever you go. The LED headlights not only look great but also provide excellent visibility at night. Whether you're driving through the city or exploring the great outdoors, the Nissan Altima is a car that delivers on all fronts. It's a perfect blend of performance, efficiency, and style. So if you're looking for a car that can do it all, look no further than the Nissan Altima. It's ready to take you on your next adventure, wherever that may be. Section 4. Feature Packed. What comes standard in the 2024 Altima? The 2024 Nissan Altima is designed to impress from the moment you lay eyes on it. With its sleek lines and modern design, it's a head-turner on any road. But what really sets it apart is what you find when you step inside. Now let's step inside, shall we? The moment you open the door, you're greeted by a cabin that's both inviting and functional. The Altima's cabin is a comfortable and well-equipped place to be, even if it's not quite as plush as a pharaoh's tomb. The seats are designed to provide maximum comfort, whether you're on a short commute or a long road trip. The materials used in the interior are of high quality, giving you a sense of luxury without the hefty price tag. You get all the essentials as standard, like a 7-inch touchscreen Bluetooth and a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to control all your settings. The touchscreen is responsive and intuitive, allowing you to navigate through menus with ease. And let's not forget the sound system. It's more than just decent. It's designed to deliver crisp and clear audio, making your favorite tunes sound even better. Whether you're a fan of classical music or the latest pop hits, the Altima's sound system will not disappoint. But the real party trick is Nissan's Safety Shield 360. This comprehensive suite of safety features is designed to keep you and your passengers safe on the road. This suite of driver assistance features includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. These features work together to provide an extra layer of protection, giving you peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. It's like having a guardian angel riding shotgun, keeping you safe from harm. The system is designed to alert you to potential dangers and even take action if necessary, helping to prevent accidents before they happen. And trust me, on Egyptian roads, that's worth its weight in gold. Navigating through busy streets and unpredictable traffic becomes a breeze with these advanced safety features. The 2024 Altima is not just a car, it's a reliable companion that ensures you reach your destination safely and comfortably. So whether you're driving through the bustling city or cruising on a scenic highway, the Altima has got you covered. Section 5. Design and comfort, style and substance. Let's be honest, looks matter. When you're driving down the road, you want to feel good about what you're behind the wheel of, and the Altima ain't no slouch in the design department. With its sleek lines and bold stance, it commands attention wherever it goes. It's got a sleek, modern look that's sure to turn heads. The aerodynamic design not only looks good but also improves fuel efficiency, making it a smart choice for both city and highway driving. Think of it as a chariot for the 21st century, a vehicle that combines style with substance, offering a driving experience that's both exhilarating and practical. Inside, it's all about comfort. The seats are supportive, there's plenty of legroom, and the materials used are top-notch. Whether you're on a short commute or a long road trip, you'll appreciate the thought that went into the interior design, and the cabin is well insulated from the outside world. The noise-canceling technology ensures that you can enjoy a quiet ride, free from the distractions of the outside world. You'll be cruising along in peace and quiet, thanks to the advanced engineering that minimizes road noise and vibrations, even if the traffic outside is mental. The Altima's cabin is a sanctuary, a place where you can relax and unwind, no matter what's happening outside. And if you want to up the ante, there are plenty of options to make your ride even more luxurious. You can opt for leather seats, which add a touch of elegance and sophistication to the interior. Heated and ventilated front seats, ensuring that you're comfortable no matter the weather. Whether it's a hot summer day or a chilly winter morning, the Altima has you covered, and a premium Bose sound system. This top-of-the-line audio setup delivers crystal-clear sound, making every drive feel like a concert on wheels. It's like having your own personal oasis on wheels. The combination of style, comfort, and advanced features makes the Nissan Altima a standout choice for anyone looking for a car that offers both form and function. Section 6. Tech and connectivity. Staying connected on the go. Right, let's talk tech. The Altima's packing some serious gadgetry, including a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. You can even get it with Nissan's ProPilot Assist, which is basically like having a co-pilot on board. It helps with steering, acceleration and braking, making highway driving a breeze. So, whether you're navigating the streets of Cairo or just streaming your favorite tunes, the Altima's got you covered. Section 7. Safety first. Nissan's commitment to your well-being. Safety is paramount, especially in a country like Egypt where the roads can be a bit unpredictable. The Altima doesn't disappoint in this department. In addition to the aforementioned Safety Shield 360, you also get features like automatic high beams, rear cross-traffic alert, and a driver attention monitor. It's like having a whole team of safety experts looking out for you, so you can relax and enjoy the ride knowing that you and your passengers are in safe hands.